Hey guys, Kevin Benson Money here. Today, I'm going to be blind reacting. I haven't listened to this before. Blind reacting to SSS 2. Album of the year. I already know it. This image here, guess whose hand that is? K Money himself. Posted up with thick snick. My Sprite dirty. I don't know how to use a washing machine. I'm in a dishwasher or a washing machine either. I got my Catboy maid to do it. And he's not a boy because I'm not gay. That's a lie. Anyway, I'm gonna be listening to SSS 2. Blind reacting. I'm super excited. Already know it's gonna be album of the year. Hey, I'm on quite a few of the songs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys get that reference? That's a reference to 6, 7. Anyway, blind reacting. I did a lot of features, but I don't remember any of them. There's the doc. Guess who that is right here? K Money. Anyway, this is my reaction to SSS 2. Wait, let's begin.
Hey, what's your name, jackass?
Hi, I'm Snicker. I slime when I see my ops.
Oh,
And these, well, they're just my sounds. Hit it, K.
Oh, Snicker, why are you so fat?
that's a bit rude.
Oh, I'm
makes sense.
so gassy. I'm so big and gassy.
I always knew Charlie was that is you. Charlie Bird ain't a blue chew. I'm on the block with a dude. I went to prison, they stripped me nude.
They did exactly that.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I got lots of fun. I make lots of fun. Snicker be up in my tongue. Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah. You know it's true. But it's not who is
This SNICKER SLIME AND SOUNds too. I'm playing with my crew. Kevin, you the moneyest. Kevin, you my minor boy. I'ma rape your bum, and I'ma finger you like you're my toy. K, please just tell me what you want from me. I don't know what you want anymore, K. You never tell me anything,
I want
K.
you.
Please, what do you want from me, K?
I want you.
I don't know.
Snicker getting slimy on the beat. Now it's my turn. Snicker DM'd pictures of his meat, made my balls churn. Then I dropped into my body pillow till it started to squirm. My mom and dad walked in, they thought that I was just doing the worm. I got a tight booty hole. Snicker come pound me, they call me the alarm. To get me loud, you gotta sound me. Not from Cleveland, but I still love steamers. Come and brown me. I suck Snickers dick like Peasy with JBG's brown feet. Got her going like in the freestyle for Ian. I licked her labia, she got excited, started peeing. I love that shit, it slid right down my throat like it was skiing. The next day I wrote this while Snicker checked if he used Korean.
I like the bit where he was talking about thick snick, but not the part where he started rambling on about some Diddy Floyd. Call me a bit off guard. Did catch that JTZ reference with his with Jawbreaker Gusto's in his mouth. I caught that reference.
I'm retarded like the bitch who fixed her hair with super glue. Shorty went for 20 rounds for free, she a trooper too. Mario ate the cum shroom and then released his super goo.
2 turntables and a
microphone. At my snap, bro, whoop diddy. Also choose $1,000 or Popeyes. I choose Rain Bed. I'm about to open up a nail salon to get paid for looking at feet. Oh, Demetrius Lime Trinket, the nichest rapper on Instagram.
Wow. What a great song, Snicker.
Whoa,
Who
what?
taught you this?
That sounded
And second question.
didn't really sound like a K, but
How'd you get so gooey?
I did want to know this.
Hello everyone. Today's song is called Snicker Gets Drugged. We're exploring a story where Snicker gets drugged by an unknown evil person. Hit it, K. Snicker gets drugged, yeah, now we in the guys. Snicker gets drugged, now we in the vibes, yeah. Snicker is drugged, and he likes guys. Snicker in the boys, are they for the hood, where they go to wood. Snicker gets fucked, yeah, you know he like guys, yeah. Snicker gets fucked. Only in that guys, yeah. He love Kevin money. He love Kevin money.
He does.
He love Kevin money.
He does.
And he wants to rub his tummy. Love you, Kevin money. Wanna rub your tummy till you feel it scared. Love you, Kevin money. Wanna rub it till you red. Love you, Kevin money. Wanna touch your honey.
That was really good. I actually do, in fact, remember this beat. Woke up like a Korean. It really hurt. In a good way. Like, you can really feel the emotion in this beat. And I feel like there needs to be more beats like this. Woke up like a Korean. Woke up all bent up in his skin. Woke up bigger in my band and my dreaming.
If she was in my bed, it'd be a good dream.
This bitch look like Bonnie Blue. Funny is the one who Bonnie Blue. I'm like drinking apple juice. I caught that Bonnie Blue reference. I met her once. Bonnie Blue did look like Thick Snick though. And it wasn't even Bonnie Blue's van that I went in. It was just like a random van on the street. I said you hear that on the side. I'm not really sure what that's about, but anyway, I actually met Bonnie Blue once. If you didn't know. Anyway, back to the song.
I like drinking orange juice. I'm in my office, they look at me funny. Yeah, I am Kevin, I'm getting lots of money. Mixing glue, now my nose runny. Ain't a hair pack, I got a short tummy. Hit up the plug, said what we please. She on my dick, even though I got cheese. I shouldn't been born, no do not please. I was 10K picture when I got off my knees.
I really that last part, it really sounded like what's that guy, Lucy Bedrock. It really sounded like his music. I definitely can hear the inspiration.
I'm a Korean and I'm waking up. I'm a Korean and I'm a Korean and I'm waking up. I'm a Korean and I'm getting up. I'm a Korean and I'm gay as fuck. I'm a Korean. I'm a Korean. I'm a Korean. I'm waking up and I'm a Korean. Cause I'm Korean and I'm waking up. I'm waking up and I'm Korean. I'm waking up and I'm Korean. I'm waking up and I'm Korean. Oh no,
I do really like this story. He got drugged and he woke up in Korea. You know, whenever I say this guy's name in my songs, like when I'm doing features and stuff, I always make sure to turn off my de-esser. Obviously, I don't want to get cancelled. I thought you guys should know that. I've had to like genuinely like cut out so like re-record so many lines just because it like barely picked up the S. Anyway, I'm actually eating one of these right now. There is a little bit of slime underneath my desk, and I do gotta run in. I did meet Bonnie Blue. Anyway, back to the album. Escaped North Korea.
Oh no, I think this is the end. How are we gonna escape North Korea? Hey, come with me this way. My name's Snicker. I know how we can escape North Korea. Hit it, Kay.
Snicker, you need to start being a better person.
Looks like we're out of Korea.
Wow.
Wait. Where are we? No. We're trapped in China.
Okay. First of all, that was a really good story. The story in that track of like how we escaped, top tier. Like it was really action packed. Second thing, he said that he got trapped in China, and I caught that reference. That's a reference to another You Hear That song. Trapped in China. Crazy, right? Let me go back. Crazy. Anyway, time to play the next song.
Wow, is this really China? There's so many China in here.
Oh, hello. My name is Kingery. Welcome to China Land.
Kingery's a wrong name. What else can we call you?
I don't know. You can call me Kay. The city block is just around the corner. We can go see it if you want.
You can call me K. Like Kevin. This is not me. I'm not. This isn't me. This is some random person named K. Who is this? I think Thick Snick might be cheating on me. Who is this other K? Who is this guy? Sure isn't me. Okay. Anyway, back to the song.
That would be Rovery, Kay.
Just follow me.
Okay, Kay. We will follow you.
I can't see, the lights are dim. I really want a large dim sim. These are your tricks, they ass are thin.
I'm from China and I cannot see. Drive my car into the sea. Trapped in China but I feel free. I really like sushi. That's where I'm from but I don't know. I say I'm from Sesame. Walk around the city real slow. Neon lights and busy roads. People talking I don't know. I just smile and say hey K. Like Kingery K. Hey K. Kingery K.
A-K. Because he has 4 girlfriends who are 7. I can't believe I caught that reference. He might be a lyrical genius.
Don't make fun of Kingery. He's not from China. He's from Hong Kong. Now he's in Australia. I love K. You say sweet K. What's your name? Just call me K.
I'm K Evan Money. Come on my block and I'll come on your feet. Okay. I said I'm K Evan Money, but I'm not K. I don't know who this K is that these guys are talking to. Because it's not me. I'm K Evan Money, not K. These people are just talking to someone random. I was in sushi.
Oh wait, there's Japanese. Spitting hard bars like I intro to O. 6'7" but like the goat. Come with LeBron the way I fuck the go. Triple T bitch, get that tum throw.
I know this is my bar, but I caught that little Triple T reference in there. I caught that reference. That was a really good line.
And it's been a while since I saw her. Had to cut her off like a saw. I'm not.
It's been a while since I saw her. Like tung saw her. Tung saw her. Wow. Lyrical genius.
Operated. Correct FL, now my shit's outdated. I'll cook that bitch, yeah, we ain't not dating. Come in, I'm getting lucky like Damien.
I caught that reference too. He said, come in, I'm getting lucky like Damien. Because Fulcrum, come in. Yeah, Yodi gang. You feel me? That's a reference because Fulcrum's YouTube channel is Damien Luck. He's getting lucky like Damien. Pretty good reference. And then come in, I'm getting lucky. Like, come in. Come in and getting lucky, you know. Pretty good bar.
This is modern day Mozart, where I show every...
This guy really is the modern day Mozart. Mozart, whatever. He really is the modern day Mozart. This guy right here. Better composer.
How I'm the modern day Mozart.
Oh yeah, they call me Mozart, the modern day Mozart, the modern day Mozart, the modern day Fogel. I fuck with Fogel from Superbad. The protagonist coming, it's gonna be bad. I'm the modern day Mozart, I don't even know what I'm saying. The song is so loud, I don't even know what I'm saying. The 808 penetrating my ears, holy shit, this is so real. I think I'm gonna end it. I'm the modern day Mozart. Ain't nobody like me. I'm the modern day Mozart. Everybody hate me. I'm the modern day Mozart. I'm the best.
Is the modern day Mozart? Everyone hates him. Wait, did people hate Mozart? I don't know. I don't really think he was hated. Like, I don't know if he got like Mozart got like allegations or anything, but I've never hated him. If Mozart does got allegations, I might have to take down my track called Mozart. I sampled him. I actually sampled him twice. Actually, maybe one of them is Beethoven. I don't really know. Anyway. Wow. It sounds like a nice morning breeze. Wow. Beautiful. Really is the modern day Mozart.
Wow, where are we?
Hello, I'm Snicker. Welcome to my steak.
Joe drove the
Steak?
wooden stake through Snicker's chest just
What?
as the creatures lunged from the darkness.
What?
But
Whoa.
instead of dying, Snicker only smiled wilder. Snicker's smile grew wider as black syrup poured from the wound. The light...
I caught that reference. He's a lion, he's a Sigma, he's got a black heart. And the black blood's pouring out the wound. Wait, I'm on this song? I don't realize that. Anyway.
The room flickered off one by one, and Joe realized too late that the steak had been the only thing
Snicker, you
keeping
need to start being
Snicker
a better
asleep.
person.
You know, we're really in this new wave of sound, of rap that sounds like this. You know, the 808s that is so loud that the only thing that can cut through the mix is if you like pitch up your voice. And I think this is the way music should have been. Wait, actually, I just realized I have a Coca-Cola in my room. I'm gonna go grab that. Okay. Okay. Back to the album. I feel like this album, it's missing something. This album's really missing that like sound effect. Like, I came into this album expecting the sound effect, but I haven't heard it once. And that's kind of disappointing.
Welcome to the Chud Tales. First thing you gotta do is listen. Second thing is learn. Hit it, K.
Snicker, you need to start being a better person.
Small touch, but I got a big brain. Only the kids, that's on brain. Taking my ass, but I'm not gay. Can't be affected cause I don't vape. Can't be a pedophile if I'm not.
That's a pretty good bar. Can't be affected cause I don't vape. That's a good line. Don't know what he's talking about in the next one.
Cause I don't vape. Can't be a pedophile if I'm not caught.
Don't know how I feel about that bar. Okay, back to the album.
But I'm in bar. Sipping that purple, call me guys. Sipping that blue, I'm eating guys. Sipping my ass, I'm a non. Laced with fent, I'm a Z. How about you? I got hella cheese. I'm not black, but I got extra knees. I'm Snicker bud liquor. Yeah.
You know I'm a chud, I'm on Discord every day. Yeah, I'm not a ditty bird, and you brother and I'm a gang. Two truths, one lie. I like guys, I like guys, I like women.
Pretty good bar. Two truths, one lie. I like guys. I like guys. I like women. That's a good bar. That is a good bar. I actually really enjoyed that bar.
When you're out like it's out and stealing, so I could pay for the nitro off my kitchen.
Small touch, but I got a big brain. Only the kids, that's on brain. Taking my ass, but I'm not gay. Can't be affected cause I don't vape.
So sipping that blue, I'm into guys. Because Bonnie Blue is into guys. Well, guys are into her, but that's a really good bar. Sipping that green. My cup look like my neck. Posted up with a Tech 9. I haven't been the same since Coke died. Sorry, I was just spinning some Juice WRLD inspired lyrics. Anyway, to this song. Now, all I gotta say is, as a man of this complexion, I don't think as a man of this complexion, I don't know. I mean, with a face this cute, I don't think you'd survive prison without getting a boyfriend. That's all I'm gonna say. Wait, hold up. I know this guy. This guy went to prison and got a boyfriend. No way. That's Lil Grams. Anyway, back to the album.
I'm a
I
rock
do
out.
like this beat.
Yeah. I'm a rock out even more. Yeah. Noted Rog. Here we go.
Okay. Is this a story about us being in prison? Because, you know, with you got 3 white people on the song. I just don't think that is the word that should have been chosen. I don't think that's the word that should have been chosen. That's all I gotta say. All I gotta say.
I'm seething, stepping all over me, seeming. Call me Travis Scott, I'm feeling. Bidet in my butt, I'm cleaning. Rocking all out on the floor, taking less ever more. Giving back what I bought, send it back to the store. I'm in prison and I'm black. 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 I'm in prison and I'm black.
I think this is a reference to, he's saying I'm in prison, and then he's saying that he's black, but what I think he's trying to say is that he's just got a bunch of tattoos. Like, he got a bunch of tattoos while in prison. I think that's what he's trying to say. I don't know. I just feel like that's what he's trying to say.
I'm black, and I'm in prison. I like boys, and I don't fuck with women.
Do it like that bar. Said he likes boys, he doesn't fuck with women. Me and Fake Snick are very gay. And very unstraight. So I did really respect that bar.
Something, I don't know. I'm black, and fuck, man. I only fuck with I only. Hot booty Randy, the walk past my door. Big ass booty, it hit in the floor. Turn that ass up.
I do respect that. When Lil Grams walks past, his cheeks do hit the floor. I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.
Spread it open. I said, damn, your ass is frozen. He said, good boy, yeah, my heart is racing. Y'all take aim, now we fisting. People think we beefing, but I prefer squash. He grabbing my cheeks, telling me they soft. I'm black, and I'm in prison. I'm black, and I'm still in prison. I'm white, and I'm now I'm prison.
I love the equality in this song. Yeah.
I'm black and I'm still a prison. I'm in prison and I'm black. 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 I'm in prison and I'm black.
I'm gonna be honest, I probably should have listened to this song. Like, I know with a name like this, I probably shouldn't have featured on it. I'm not gonna lie. I probably should have listened to the song first before doing my verse. I ain't gonna hold ya. I should have listened to this song first.
I'm in prison and I'm black. 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 Yeah.
Popping a perk, smoking an eight. My wrist froze, feeling like Drake. Got all the cheese, none of my plate. Got all this meat, all in my face. My blood's chill, everybody relate. I'm so slow, I can't race. I don't care, I'm still in first place. The next bar hard, but I don't relate. Think of me, sick of girl boys in my Rari. All these bad bitches, they wanna suck me. Lil' Grams ain't so bad, I ain't even ducky. Two dudes stuff me, man, I feel like Tadaki. I can't.
That's good. Two men stuff me, feel like Tadaki. That's good. Also caught that Lil Grams reference. Lil Grams aim so bad, I ain't ducking. Because I have a song with Lil Grams called Aiming at You, but he is like, no, speak of the devil, not Lil Grams. Speak of the angel. But anyway, I got a song, and he's like, he just says like I'm gay a couple times at the end of it, Lil Grams. So I'm saying that his aim is bad. He wasn't even able to get on the song called Aiming at You. He can't aim.
The dirt like I fucked an ant. Bitches fall from my head like a Minecraft anvil.
That's good. Bitches fall from my head like a Minecraft anvil. Actually, I did reference a Ford. I should have said dudes fall from my head like a Minecraft anvil. Because, like, you know, when an anvil hits you on the head, it kills you. So I'm saying that I give killer head to dudes, but I said, oh. I apologize. I might have to make like a apology video for that.
And love you as someone I can kill. I'm listening to Can while playing God in a van. Yo, bitch is a man. God and only fans. I'ma subscribe to it. Bad bitch in my line. Ooh, shit. I don't want her. Fucking these fanboys feel like Patty Rick. I'm a child, I'm fat as shit.
Okay. At least, okay, I didn't even need to make an apology video. But I did catch that Patty Rick reference about the femboy.
I'ma subscribe to it. Bad bitch in my line. Ooh, shit. I don't want her. Fucking these fanboys feel like Patty Rick. I'm a child, I'm fat as shit. Vanished to the hub, got a 2-inch dick. Okay, I'm lying, no that shit 6-inch. When I worked it so bad, put my meat right next to the bread and cut above the tip. One day I'm...
Wait, hello. Wait. That's actually a good bar. This guy's saying his meat's 6-inch, so when he worked at Subway, he just put the bread up to it and like cut above the tip for like a perfect measurement.
Got a 2-inch dick. Okay, I'm lying, no that shit 6-inch. When I worked at Subway, put my meat right next to the bread and cut above the tip. One day I missed. I'm circumcised as shit.
I do remember this happening, but don't worry, it grew back.
Yeah, don't worry, I regrew it. I'm not Jewish.
Snicker, you need to start being a better person.
Yo, what the fuck is this shit? Yo, how the fuck do I rap on this? eardrum trophy. This type of song you have to shoot shit with your finger out of your eardrum that they're listening. You know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna start fucking talking, cause I know none of y'all are listening. Like the Wii menu music high off ketamine while you're getting pissed. I'm not even on beat, there's not even a fucking beat to be on. I guess I'm fucking the beat, yeah, I guess I'm fucking the beat. Oh my god, the beat's gripping, oh my god, the beat is gripping me. Oh my god, the beat just flipped me over, I think the beat's fucking molesting me. The beat's molesting me, I'm pressing charges on the beat. Holy shit, that was fucking hot ass.
Being a better person.
I agree.
This is to pay respects to Jeff Mouse, who was living in my house, that my dog
Jeff
brutally
Mouse.
murdered on the 17th of the 5th,
Dance with my dogs
2026,
in the nighttime.
7:01
I give
p.m.
that song a whole new dark
Australian Standard Time. Jeff Mouse, you will be remembered. We love you. Live long and prosper. We love you, Jeff Mouse. This is for you, Jeff Mouse. Hit it, K.
Oh, Snicker, you're so gooey.
Yeah. Ah, Snicker. Yeah. Check. Snicker in the house. Snicker in the house, my dog killed a mouse. Snicker in the house, my dog killed a mouse. Yeah. I'm a Snicker man, and I'm the killer. I'm the fucking killer. I'm the fucking Snicker. I'm the fucking killer. I'm the fucking Snicker, and I'm the tiller. I'm the fucking killer, and I'm the Snicker in the I'm the Snicker, and I'm the real Snicker.
Oh, Snicker, you're so gooey.
Okay, before that beat switch, you know, I'm glad those censor beeps are in there. But I mean, you could have just turned them down a little bit, or maybe just like not said it, you know, replace it with another word. Like friend or person, you know. Anyway, those censor beeps really hurt.
Oh, Snicker, you're so gooey.
Sweet Johnny, oh, swing along, 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 sweet Johnny, oh.
That was beautiful. You know, the mixing on this is a lot better than SSS1. That's all I gotta say. It's improved, you know? You can tell that he's perfected his craft.
Hey, my name is Snicker. People always wonder how I got so thick. Well,
I do wonder that sometimes. I do wonder about his girth journey.
this is the story.
Oh.
Buckle up and get ready for another Snicker
I'm buckled, I'm buckled.
Hit it, Kay.
Snicker, you need to start being a better person.
This is a really emotional story. I'm like on the verge of tears. I'm on the verge of tears. This is really emotional.
Demetrius Lime Trinket, the nichest rapper on Instagram. Gene Remover is a man. I'm in the Ashton doing donuts. Did you just say you're doing Ashton? Look at.
We two geek do donuts in Aston. I caught that reference. We two geek do donuts in Aston. We two geek do donuts in Aston. That's a bleed reference. That's a bleed reference. We two geeked doing donuts in the Aston. We two geeked doing donuts in the Aston. We two geeked doing donuts in the Aston. Ain't no way he just said, we two geeked doing donuts in the Aston. We two geek doing donuts in the Aston. No way he just said, we two geek doing donuts in the Aston. We two geek doing donuts in the Aston. Wow.
Soldier Boy Popsicle, living on the Skittle Sun. Yeah, but ugly Martians, ignited King Von, bucket of shit with a biscuit. I must be on estrogen the way my rack's growing. Damn, how bikers eat their sketty bars. Styrofoam cup, I am from fucking Nebula. I rep my set, bitch, throw up deuces. Zaxby's cup full of ice.
I caught that reference. I'm from Nebula. Dirty styrofoam cup. I was actually on that song.
Ice. Hey Siri, call my girlfriend. Which one? Rick Ross almost kills a camel. Fat ass bitch. Crabs in the desert. What the crab doing? I keep my dough refrigerated. I got that bread. Yeah, I got a thirsty turtle. What? Bruh, White Chief Keef always farting. He always farting. Only a spoonful. Only a spoonful.
Wait, there's a reference to when Chief Keef farted in one of his ad-libs on one of the songs. I got that reference.
Bruh, you got my charger, my phone did. I wish I were high on pot and noose. Mark.
Wait. She said I wish I was high on hypotenuse. Like hypotenuse. Wait, hold up. Hypotenuse. I wish I was high on pot and use. I wish I was high on pot and use. No way he just said that. No way. Genius lyricist, this guy is. You know, it's not featured. I mean, I don't know why it's not featured, but I guess that it's. Does it say performers? Oh, playing the banjo. I didn't know he played that. Wow. So here's a lyricist. I think it must be rats and ops, rodents and opponents doing this bit.
With a K, Mark with a K. 2 hollis trips and falls at an In-N-Out. Goddamn. You ate the sausage and then you came to talk to the boss. Rick Ross. Yeah.
I hate Rick Ross.
Shit.
I hate Rick Ross so much.
And a microphone. Add my snap, bro. Whoop Diddy. Also.
Add my snap, bro. Whoop Diddy. I'ma blow up like Diddy. I caught that reference. That's a Glizzy reference. If you guys haven't seen it, watch my Glizzy video right now and then come back to this video. But then restart this video and watch it again.
$1,000 or Popeyes, I choose Rain Bed. Dang.
$1,000 or Popeyes. I think I'd pick Rain Bet.
How to open up a nail salon to get paid for looking at feet. Oh.
I might open up a nail salon and get paid for looking at feet.
Demetrius Lime Trinket, the nichest rapper on Instagram.
Demetrius. Lime. Trinket.
this beat, I'm gonna fuck you in the ass.
This nigga, I sound like a clown. What you know I need? Fucking barely fit. 2 turntables and a microphone. Look this straight, it's it, we can't get it right. Make on my head, call me the heater. Got on my head, tank top on my white beater. I got paint on my socks, raging my being. Diamond chain cock, right there mention me. My baby skin out, with a damn hitch. Very pretty glot, I run with a switch. I fucking hate voids, I'm finna kill them hoes. Play with my balls, you know I'm the host.
I did hear he got caught watching that. You know, this beat is pretty good. I don't know why I'm so quiet, or I don't know why all the vocals on this is so quiet. But I feel like it really makes you pay attention. I feel like, you know, Thick Snick is rapping, and there are all these sounds, and you've kind of gotta like reach a state where the sounds overwhelm you, but you find Thick Snick in that overwhelming sensation, and that is when you slime. Beauty in the chaos, and that's what this is.
I just hate ladies, you know I pay to go. Yeah, I'm sipping up and go. I'm sipping lean. My lean is fresh, call it young lean.
My lean is fresh, call it young lean. You guys catch that? My lean is old, call it old lean. I know you guys caught that reference. I'm about to OD of this codeine. Garfield, OD. That's a good one, that's a good one. Wow. I feel like a whole different person after this. This lion really changed my life. It really did. This lion, it did. This lion also changed my life. It's so beautiful. This man should be an inspiration to everyone. Anyway, that was my reaction to SSS2. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. This might be my new favorite album. There were some questionable lyrics and choices of words, but overall, I feel like this is one of those albums you look back on that defines a genre. Thick Snick, if you're listening to this, thank you. I hope to slime to your sounds again soon. Kevin, out.